So this is how to fix a loose seatbelt on Toyota Prado. So take out number 10 bolt here and 14 here, but make sure that you sort of make a tie on the seatbelt so it doesn't retract all the way, because if it does, then the seatbelt becomes unusable. So after that, just pull out the whole seatbelt and try to fish out this part. So when you pull the seatbelt all the way, it actually still able to wind more. So what we would like is take out this seatbelt, wind all the way until it stops, and then reinsert the seatbelt so it restores the tension. So let's try to do that. Just make sure that you do not let go of this mechanism, because if it winds all the way to the end, then the seatbelt is damaged. So let's try, just fish this out. So there is this stopper that you can pull. Just remember to keep having pressure on this ratchet or whatever mechanism. So take out that stopper and take out the seat belt. I need to wind it down a bit. Also, the position is important, because if it's a bit on an angle, it actually locks. Let's try to pull that. Alright, so now we wind again. We wind the seat belt all the way and never let go. If you're tired or something, you can just insert screwdriver so it's safe. So now that's us, not yet. Yeah. Sometimes it stops, but it's actually just ratcheting. So as you can see, after 25 years, the spring is a bit loose, so now it's actually on the stop. Just for safety, I'm just going to put the screwdriver here. I'm going to attempt to put this belt in. Just using this picker tool, which seems to do the job. Right. And so we reinsert the stopper. Just pull until it's nice and tight. Then with the new spring tension, we'll start to wind back. Right, so gonna put the seatbelt back to its place again. Number 10 bolt and number 14. So now we can undo the safety knot to prevent the seatbelt to pull all the way. You can try.